How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Keystone Sprinter. This is going to be their 3980 FBS. Now the FB is going to stand for front bunks. You'll see that as soon as we get on the inside, but I want to check out the campside first. You have 2 slide outs on this one. You have 4 slide outs altogether. 2 awnings, nice solid steps underneath that entry door, as well as your pass-through storage. If we go up these steps, we're going to check out the kitchen area first. You have a little coffee bar area, maybe a place to put an air fryer. And then right next to that, you're going to see your pantry. Pretty good sized pantry for this size of fifth wheel. You also have a residential style fridge, massive kitchen island, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, oven, and then off your kitchen, you're going to find your entertainment center. So you have a smart TV, your fireplace, and the really cool thing is that your theater seating is directly across from your entertainment center. So this theater seating does recline. You do have wireless chargers and cup holders in the middle. Next to that, you're going to find your dinette. This dinette does fold into a bed, and I just love that this slide out is surrounded by windows. Gorgeous. If we go through this door here, you're going to find your main bedroom. This is going to be a king-size bed. You have windows on either side. Good-looking headboard area. Storage underneath the mattress. And then across from this, you're going to see a ton of wardrobe space, as well as another window and a TV backer. And this rear bath is just to die for. You have a porcelain toilet down below, storage, window, dual vanity, and then check out this shower, guys. You have a skylight in it, but I really don't think you need it. There's so much height in here. It's crazy. And then through this door here, you're going to find your washer and dryer prep, or just more storage. Totally up to you. If we make our way towards the front of this fifth wheel, we're going to check out this really cool bunk room. Your kids are going to freak out. So you have 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. Slide out in the bunk room. Really opens the space up. Perfect place for a TV. Perfect place for the kids to put their stuff. And then if you are a work from home kind of person, or your kids are homeschooled, there is a little desk area as well. But if we go through this door here, you're going to find the kids' own personal bathroom. So we have a half bath. Altogether, 1.5 baths on this fifth wheel. You have your porcelain toilet, medicine cabinet, and your sink down below. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Sprinter. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You have 4 slide outs altogether. 2 awnings, nice solid steps underneath that entry door, as well as your pass-through storage. If we go up these steps,